How to change birth date on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change the birth date on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change the birth date on TikTok, unfortunately TikTok will not give you this option to change it, just like other platform. So even if you go to edit profile, you can say you can change the name, your username, or you go to, let's say, your settings and privacy. Even under account settings, you can see under account information there's no option to change your date of birth. Now if you haven't added, then you will definitely find the option called add date of birth. So if you're lucky, then you'll find this option here, but if not, then this option might not be visible to you. Now the only thing that you can actually do here is try to contact the support team and just go to help center. From this help center section, you want to go to the profile section where you want to submit a ticket, and TikTok will hopefully get back to you. So right here you can see a couple of these things, account information. So I will select this option called account and settings and account information instead. So when I go to account information, right here you can see screen time, changing language preferences, account, and so on. But you can select the other option and try to contact TikTok, because if you are lucky, then you'll find it. If not, then you won't find it. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.